how to add custom widgets in Windows 11 or how to create custom widgets in Windows 11. So welcome to this video, and I'm gonna show you how you can do it. So what you can do is go to Microsoft Store and search for B Widgets app and install it, get it, tap on get and wait for it to download. It may take some seconds. After the download is complete, you can see this option on your screen. Here you can see three options: new widgets, layout, and settings. First of all, we're gonna set the settings. Here you can see preferences with the option run and startup, hide on startup, and other options as well. And here you can also set appearances. Under appearances also you can set the settings on however you want it to be, like system theme, system account center, and everything. And on the very last you can see about. It will tell you about the app, what kind of app it is, how it was generated. After that, close the option and let's start with creating a new widget. Here you can see when I tapped on the new widget, here you can see the time widget appeared on the left side of the screen. And when you type in time, you can see that I not only have the option of customizing a time, but date or app shortcuts and finances and weather. You may choose any of these things that you want to customize on your screen. And for this video, I'm going to customize the clock. I'm going to move this clock to the right side of the screen, and you may put it wherever you want. For now, I'm going to put it at the right side of the screen and type the new widget name into a clock and tap on customize. After that, you can see how you can customize it. You can put it on center position X, center position Y, or set position width, height, and anything. You can, and when you scroll down a bit, you can see the options like enabled, visible movement, visibility, and everything. And scrolling down just a bit, you can see the option preferences like show seconds. You may use the 12-hour format, and you can see the time just changed into 12-hour format, which was 24-hour before. Now remove 0 before the hour, and the 0 before the 9 just changed into nothing. And you may also use separator. I'm going to use slash, or you may just choose any of the separator, whichever you want. After doing that, you may also choose the text align left, center, or whatever you want. And you can see the appearances, background color. You can change the background color of the clock. I'm gonna put it purple for now. And you can see that the clock just changed into purple. After that, you can also see the background corner radius option. You can click on the option and choose the radius as well. And here we also have the option of changing the text color inside the box. I'm gonna choose the light pink, baby pink color, and you can see the color just changed. And you can also change the font size on whatever font size you want. I'm gonna change it to 50, and you can see the changes that it just got a bit bigger. And you can change the font weight and also choose the font weight and choose the font style as well, like whatever font style you want. I'm gonna choose italic and the text be changed, and you can see the changes. So in this way you can customize the widgets on your PC or laptop on your Windows 11. You can just download the B Widgets app on your device and customize it however you want. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I hope this video was helpful.